In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this together from inside a typical sheet. To start, make sure you have your sheet open and that you can see the column headers at the top. These are the labels like task name, due date, or status. We're going to add a brand new column next to one of these, and that's where our checkboxes will live. First, move your mouse to the top of the sheet and right-click on any column header. It doesn't really matter which one you pick because we're going to create a new column to the right of it. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Insert Column Right and click it. Smartsheet will instantly add a new blank column on the right-hand side of the one you selected. Now that the column is there, we want to give it a clear and useful name. Click into the new column header and type a label that makes sense for what you're tracking. A very common choice is something like Done, Complete, or Approved. Choose a name that will be obvious to anyone else who uses this sheet, so they'll immediately understand what checking that box means. Next, we need to tell Smartsheet what type of column this is. Open the column properties and look for the option labeled Column Type. When you click on that, you'll see a list of different types you can use. From that list, select Checkbox. This is what turns the cells in that column into clickable checkboxes instead of plain text fields. After choosing checkbox as the column type, you can customize how it looks. In the same settings area, find the display style options. Here you can choose between checkbox, star, or flag. The default checkbox is perfect for simple completion tracking, while stars and flags can be helpful if you prefer a more visual way to highlight items, such as priority or special status. Pick the style that best matches how you and your team work. Once you've made your choices, finish up by clicking OK. Smartsheet will apply your settings, and your new column will now show checkboxes, stars, or flags in every row, ready to use. You can now click these boxes to mark tasks as done, highlight important items, or signal approvals, all in a quick and consistent way across your sheet.